Hey everyone, today I'm going to review Pp405 hair loss drug. Pp405 is an investigational tropical hair loss treatment developed by scientists at UCLA and advanced by Playbook Pharmaceuticals. It represents a breakthrough approach to androgenetic alopecia by reactivating dormant hair follicle stem cells through metabolic reprogramming rather than hormonal manipulations. Unlike finasteride or minoxidil, Pp405 inhibits the mitochondrial pyruvate carrier to trigger a regenerative state in follicles, stimulating natural hair growth without affecting hormones. Early clinical trials, Phase 1 and 2A, have shown encouraging results in improving hair density with no reported systemic side effects. The drug may be especially beneficial for early-stage hair loss in both men and women. If its efficacy continues to hold, Pp405 could major become non-invasive alternative in the future of hair restoration treatments. Let's talk about the pros and cons and customer reviews. Pp405 hair loss drug is a non-hormonal formula, and early trials show hair regrowth in some users with few reported side effects. However, it is still in trials and not yet available, with a modest success rate and unknown long-term results. Customer feedback indicates it is seen as promising but experimental, and users are advised to wait for the official release and avoid fake versions. Overall, Pp405 is a promising non-hormonal hair loss treatment showing early success in trials, but it remains experimental and unavailable to the public. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.